Back for another day. Good call on market, a good call on direction, good execution. Didn't get any fills. So I was waiting for either the 1 hour to close or the 4 hour. The 4 hour didn't convince me to continue bearish. However, the 1 hour did, given the fact that we traded all the way up here, sweep these highs, and then we closed below this 1 hour order block. Also, we were very close to close above this 15-minute bearish order block, and we didn't. We just went straight back down. I know there's this fair value gap right here, but because the 1 hour, the 15-minute, and up until here, the 5-minute, the 5-minute now here turned bearish, I just decided to be bearish and just decided to wait for this shift actually. So on the 1 minute, this is where I was starting to think about shorts. I was not interested in anything here. This is extremes, and the 5-minute is still bullish. Didn't want to get conflicting signals because although I was basically ignoring this 15-minute fair value gap, I was keeping in mind that this could get messy here because the break of structure on the 5-minute is down here. That said, I waited for this candle close, and then I waited for a touch of this fair value gap. Once I saw that new 5-minute candle could open, I was like, okay, this is perfect. I'm gonna wait. We can actually reach the 5-minute fair value gap. Once we reach it, I'm gonna look for a 1-minute break of structure, and I'm gonna short there. I was thinking, like, you can see that we've traded below here. So I was thinking about shorting here with a stop there, but we didn't close. Again, we didn't close below. We haven't closed below anything. Then we flipped, and I was debating on whether or not this would hold. So I was keeping in mind these two down close candles for an order block, and I was looking the reaction from them. I thought for a moment about shorting this, but this would go against my plan because there's no shift here, although we engulfed this candle right here, and I was thinking, okay, maybe if this acts as like an order block, I might get the short that I want. But decided to wait for the close. We get the close down here. At this point, we got this candle, and this next candle is the next 15-minute. And I know that there was this 5-minute order block right here, but I just deemed that price was already too far away. And if we had this candle and then went all the way back up here, there was a good chance that I would get stopped on the 15-minute power free. We didn't, but I just decided to take the order off here. Good call on the market. This would have been a really good trade. Touch of the 5-minute fair value gap creates the order block. Entry on the 1 minute. I have now the fair value gap to protect me, and then I have now a newly formed 5-minute order block to also protect me with the 1-minute entry. This would have been like a fantastic trade. Same thing, like this one was similar to the one I took yesterday, which just leads me to believe that yesterday taking that trade was actually the right call. That said, happy with my patience, happy with my execution today, although it didn't get filled, and overall happy with the performance today. Hope you enjoyed, and see you guys Monday.